Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek and in this video I will show you how to manage block visibility in WordPress. Right now I'm inside my post editor. If I hover my mouse between these two paragraphs and click this plus sign, a window for adding blocks will open with the most used blocks I used while creating my posts. If I select Browse All, a new column on the left will open with all available blocks you can add to your posts. I'm not using any page builder like Stackable or Elementor, but if you do, your left column can contain more than 150 available blocks. This may be nothing new to you, but what if you want to reduce the number of icons and see only those you use the most? To do that, select these three little dots in the upper right corner to open the Options menu and select Preferences at the bottom. When the window opens, select Blocks, where you can decide which ones to see. You can uncheck them individually or uncheck all block sections and then check only those you wish to have within the left column. I will now select the blocks I want to see in my left column and get back to you in a second. I selected 10 blocks to see inside my left column. If I close this window and hover over my mouse, and click this plus sign to browse all blocks, only these 10 selected blocks will appear on the left. If you want to add a new block or get back all available blocks, just repeat the same process and all your blocks will be back. And that's it! Now you know how to manage your block visibility in WordPress, saving you time when creating your next post or page. If you think that this tutorial was worth watching and answered your question, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. For more WordPress tutorials like this one, check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.